Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Felicia. In today's video, I will share with you on how to change from private to public account on a Snapchat. Now, the first thing you have to do is to log into your Snapchat. From here, you have to click on your profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. Next thing you have to do is to click on settings gear icon. From this section, you just scroll and click on view my story. You have to click on view my story and turn on friends only. The next one is see me in find friends. So you're going to turn this on so that all your friends can see you. You're going to also make sure you click on contact me and make sure that you turn on friends and contacts. This way your Snapchat account is going to be public for anybody that looks for you easily find you. So if this helped, please do well to ask all your questions on the comment section. Thanks for watching.